Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alek, and in this short tutorial I will show you how to set your time zone in WordPress and why it is important. To change your time zone, go to Settings and select General. Scroll down to the Time Zone section and click the drop-down menu. You can change it by selecting your city's name or the UTC for Coordinated Universal Time. If you don't know which one is yours, go to Google and type in UTC time zone and your city name. In my case, I entered Belgrade and my time zone is UTC +2. If I return to WordPress, I will select UTC +2 from the drop-down menu and remember to scroll down and click this button to save changes or it will not be saved. Why is this change important? If you go to Posts and select Add New Post, click on the Settings icon in the upper right corner and hover over immediately for publishing. You can schedule your post to be published whenever you want, but it will always be tied to your time zone. This is crucial for ensuring that your scheduled posts, updates, and site activities happen at the right times. If your time zone is incorrect, your scheduled posts might go live when your audience is inactive, reducing engagement and reach. This could affect the effectiveness of your content strategy and marketing efforts. By setting your time zone accurately from the beginning, you can avoid confusion and ensure that your WordPress site operates smoothly and effectively. And that would be all for this tutorial. Now you know how to set your time zone in WordPress and why it is important. I hope it was helpful to you, and if it was, please give it a like and feel free to subscribe for more WordPress related content. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. There are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.